The contact bubble bilayer method is an alternative technique for conventional lipid bilayers, and this method allows more versatile manipulation to the membrane. The CBB method integrates the benefits of planar lipid bilayer and patch clamp method. As a lipid bilayer technique, a CBB with an arbitrary lipid composition can be formed.
We have developed the CBB for single-channel current recordings with high signal-to-noise ratio. This method allows varieties of membrane manipulations and offers a versatile platform to study channel membrane interplays. Everybody has experienced blowing a soap bubble. Similar maneuvers are taken for CBB formation by manually fine-tuning the applied pressure rather than blowing by mouth. Practice and enjoy the CBB.
To begin this procedure, disperse phospholipids in chloroform at a desired concentration in a round bottom flask. Place the phospholipid solution on a rotary evaporator connected to a nitrogen gas cylinder. Rotate the flask under nitrogen flow at room temperature until a thin phospholipid film appears. Next, place the open flask into a desiccator that is connected to a vacuum pump. Using the vacuum pump, aspirate the inside of the desiccator for several hours to remove the chloroform thoroughly. Subsequently, add an appropriate volume of electrolyte solution to the flask and suspend the phospholipid to obtain a 2 mg per milliliter phospholipid suspension. Sonicate the suspension for 20 to 30 seconds using a bath sonicator to obtain a multi-layered vesicle suspension. For the preparation of proteoliposome